Hi friends, how are you? How are you feeling in vacations? I have used your word vacations. Naturally, you are enjoy just one vacation, summer vacation. But in these situations, I will explain that you are enjoying two vacations. First vacation is from coronavirus, and second is month of May, means summer vacations. Okay? Yes. Maybe you are confused. Can we learn account and all subjects? Maybe you are confused. We are also confused from our classroom classes and from our schools, because it is now not easy to start up directly teaching. So I decide myself that I will provide you the same teaching as I am presenting in our Krishna school. Let's start the similar teaching system to my dear students. In our classroom, you know that we have already complete 2 chapters, and now I will start today chapter number 5th. Name of chapter number 5th is admission of a partner. Let's take introduction of this chapter. Here I have explained some points of introduction, some points for solution of sums, and some required calculation point. Step by step I will try to explain all points. Try to listen what I am presenting with you. Here is first point is given: admission of partners means. Admission of a partner means means reconstruction of partnership form. I will again explain. Admission of partnership means reconstruction of partnership form. You can see why reconstruction of partnership form. When any new partner is given admission in partnership firm, reconstruction is required. Reconstruction means there are many new points will arise here, like here are presented. And before I am going to start this chapter, some required points are present here. Why a new partner is given admission? Here word is again why new partner is given admission. Maybe you have curiosity that if partnership form is continue, if there are 2 partners, 3 partners, 5 partners, and more partners, then why new partner is given in admission in partnership form? Because of there are some particular points are presented here. Why new partner is invited with all partnership form. First, one is given here: needs of additional capital. We know that if we want to continue our partnership firm, and if we want to develop our partnership firm, and we want to the largest partnership firm, what we should do? First, if we want to make our business bigger and bigger, then first additional capital is required. You can see here. Which word is given here? Additional capital. Maybe all partners have not enough capital. So, for additional capital, they have to take loan from financial institute or other friends or anywhere else. But we know that if we take loan, if we take money from others, then two more liabilities will be created. First one is to pay off interest. When we take capital, means borrowing capital, then we have to pay regularly, yearly interest on it. So it's a liability. Second one is borrowing money must be paid. We can use, but it must be paid after particular timing. So it is also liability. Sometimes partner decide it is very difficult to continue our business with borrowing money. So maybe they will prefer a new partner with additional capital. It may be it is very easy. So first point, need of additional capital. Second point is firm requires more managerial ability. We all know that without perfect managerial ability, we cannot continue our business. We cannot develop our business. You know that. So, sometimes there are some partners who just invest capital, but they have not interest to manage business. So, remaining partners will decide if here is managerial ability is no more, then they will invite perfect partners for managerial ability. Second is over, and now third. Any continue partners retires or dies. It is very sadful message, but it is not in any partner's hand. If any partner of continue business want to resign, it means retires. If he is not ready to work with partnership firm, then he can resign as per as partnership date, or any partner dies. Then in that place new partners will be given admissions. Second one is next, skilled employees of the firm need. Just with capital you cannot continue your business. In now present business department, skilled employees are required. Who are skilled employees? Skilled employees are those who have study, higher study in MBA with CA and managerial department, and they have very good knowledge how to develop business, how to handle business, how to manufacturing, how to sales and other points. And maybe current partners have not enough knowledge about current affairs. So, they will take decision then we will invite here skilled employees. But here is a point. If only skilled employees are given salary, then it is very risky. Because of if they continue with your partnership firm and they will do with your business, they know all matters of your business. Maybe after some years they will go anywhere else with our competitors. It is very dangerous for our partnership firms. So, continued partners will decide that it is not proper way to remove our skilled employee. So, it is the better way to skilled employees are invited in our partnership firm as a partners. Okay? Next point is distribution of risk of the partnership firm. In business, we all know that in business there are two businesses, a coin of two sides. One side is profit and other side is loss. It is not given guarantee that you will continue with profit. Maybe in some circumstances we will have to bear any type of loss also. So, partners always decide that it is very risky to continue our business. So, they will invite any new partner. If new partner is invited, if there are more partners, then risk of partnership firm will be distributed among the partners. You can understand that. If here is a loss, 1 lakh, and only 2 partners, then loss is divided between the partners. Then each partner will get loss rupees 50,000. But if here are 4 partners, then each partner will get loss of rupees 25,000. It is the simple example for explanations of the distribution of risk of the firm of the partnership. You see here, I have explained here total 5 points. Why new partner is given admission. Okay. If you have any doubt with total 5 points, you can call me and I will try to explain. For this chapter, we will study 4 solution options. It is the theoretical part of this chapter. And second, we will start 4 solution options. From this chapter, total 9 marks are given from board blueprint. 8 mark question and 1 mark for theoretical. I am very hopeful that for 1 mark is MCQ and either MCQ or VSQ. It is never depend on only blueprint that from this chapter only MCQ questions will be present and VSQ question will be present in the exams. Never decide. You can never decide. We should prepare with MCQ and VSQ with the help of all points so that you can get 1 mark. And now we will study for 8 marks. 8 marks questions. You should follow this point. Solution options. At first, we must have knowledge. How many accounts are prepared to solution of this chapter? Okay, let's start. First point, here is, you can see, 4 accounts are prepared. Admission of a partner. When a new partner is given admission with partnership fund, it is called reconstruction of partnership fund. I have explained here reconstruction of partnership fund. For this one, 4 accounts are prepared. Which 4 accounts are prepared? First one here is given. RA means revaluation account. Revaluation account. Second one is capital account. Here either capital account or current account. In some questions, both account are prepared, capital account and current account both. But it will be solved with the calculation of sum. Next, case account. Next one is case account or bank account. But I will write here only case account. If case is given, then case account is prepared, and if bank balance is given, then bank account is prepared. And last one is BS means balance sheet is prepared. These are 4 main account for reconstruction of partnership fund. To prepare these 4 account, some important points are given here. Here are given total other 4 points. You can see. First one is general reserve or any reserve. You have to remember here word only reserve. Which word you have to remember? Reserve word you have to remember always. What is meaning of reserve? Reserve means reserve is a part of profit. Reserve is a part of profit. Reserve is created in the past profit. Now you can understand that. It is part of profit. So, it is very important. Next, we will study for this point. Okay? Next. WC fund, and its you can name is reserve also. Okay? In some questions, reserve word is given. In some question is fund word is given. But you should try to understand both words are equal. Okay? Okay. Workman compensations reserve or workman compensation fund. You may have any questions arise in your mind. What is the meaning of workman compensation fund? Okay. Here word is given workman means it is for particular workers, for particular employees. Here reserve is created from profit, but for whom the reserve is created? For just for workers. In partnership firm, we have many employees, we have many workers. If any type of accident, any type of accident arise in our business, then they must be given some money. If we have to pay money, then from where it will be paid? If at that time the money is given from continue profit or our case, then it will create fluctuation of money. To avoid fluctuation of cash balance or bank balance, partners create workman's compensation fund. If it is created, that from this fund any workers will be given from this fund. If nothing is given, then general reserve and workman compensation reserve fund will distribute among the continue partners. Please listen. General reserve, workman compensation fund will be distributed among the continue partner, not new partner. Many times some students forget this point and they distribute among the partners with new partners. But don't forget, try to listen and try to understand. Okay? Here, new word, profit and loss account. Here, profit and loss. It is not a single word. Here are actually two words, profit and loss. So here is two words, debit and credit also. Here is given debit and credit. Sometimes students study profit and loss, but they don't know the meaning of profit and loss. If the profit and loss account is given debit side, into bracket word given is debit, it means it is not profit, it is loss. But if here is word given credit, it means it is not loss, it is profit. In all questions, profit loss account, debit or credit word is given. Sometimes word is not given, but its place decide it is profit or it is loss. Now I will not clarify this point hidden middle here, but it will be solved at the time of calculation of big sums. Okay. And next, similarly, general reserve, workman compensation fund, profit and loss account, he will be distributed among the only continue partners. Don't forget this. It will be distributed among the old partners. New partners will be not given the share of from here. Okay. And last point. Advertisements, campaign expense. Here word is given expense. So you can understand. Expense means it is not benefit, but it is loss. What is meaning of advertisements, campaign expense? If word is given only advertisement expense, then it is for a yearly expense. But here is given word advertisements, campaign expense. Campaign expense means its benefit will be we can get for years and years. Again I will explain. If advertisement expense is, its benefit is just for a year. But here is what? Advertisements campaign expense. It means its benefit we can get 2 years, 3 years, 4 years and years and years. So it is advertisements campaign expense. It will be also distributed among the partners, but with which partner it will be distributed? Always remember, here are given 3 points: general reserve, workman compensation fund, profit and loss account, either debit or credit, and advance compensation expense. But always remember that it is always debit side, it is never credit side. Okay? It will be distributed among the partners. We have completed. Here are 5 points for solutions. Okay, thank you. Here I have tried myself to explain theoretical points for this chapter, addition of partners. And next, forward is your calculation point. Here are some calculation points also we have to calculate before going to start up this chapter. Here is given word SR. What is meaning of SR? SR means sacrifice ratio. If a new partner is given admission in a partner, maybe a continuing partner will have to pay sacrifice. It depends on the calculation of questions, and she will use GR. What is meaning of GR? It is gain ratio. In some questions we have to calculation sacrifice ratio and gain ratio, and it is very important point also for to learn this chapter. But it will be calculated at the time of questions. Okay. And last point is very important. There is given goodwill. In this chapter, if you can learn easily the point of goodwill, then it is very easy to learn this chapter. I am very hopeful that you have understood all points, introductions, reasons, and problematic points are given present here. But now I will not explain you about goodwill. Goodwill is very important point for this chapter, because if you cannot understand calculation of goodwill, then it's very difficult to solve this chapter. Okay? In next lecture we will discuss about goodwill and continue this chapter. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day.